In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent video with a timer overlay, perfect for when you need a countdown or time-elapsed effect in your projects. To get started, open your video editing software and create a new transparent video. Head to the File menu, select New, and then choose Transparent Video. Be sure to set this new video so that it matches your current sequence settings, including the frame rate and resolution. Once you've done that, drag this transparent video over into your timeline. Place it right above the footage where you want the timer to appear. Now it's time to apply the timecode effect to your project. In your Effects panel, search for an effect called Timecode, which you'll find under Video Effects. Click and drag this timecode effect onto the transparent video layer that you've just added to your timeline. Next, open up the Effect Controls panel. Here, you'll want to configure your timecode settings. Make sure your time display settings are consistent with your sequence, adjusting the format and frame rate as necessary. You also have the option to set the starting time, often referred to as offset, to determine exactly when this countdown begins in your video. Don't forget to customize the font, size, color, and position to ensure the timer fits seamlessly with your project's aesthetic. If you prefer to make the timer count down instead of counting up, this can be done quite easily. First, ensure that the timer is in place. Then, take that clip on your timeline, right-click it, and choose Nest. After nesting, another right-click on the nested clip brings up Speed Duration. Set it to reverse, and voila, your counter now counts down. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with it, you could set negative offsets or manually keyframe the times, but reversing it tends to be the most straightforward method. Next up, let's focus on positioning and duration to make everything look just right. Check that your transparent video or nested clip runs for the exact duration you need for your countdown. If required, trim or adjust the speed to modify your countdown. It's also wise to overlay your timer layer perfectly over your footage and lock it in place. This will prevent any unexpected movements that could distract your audience. It's time to preview and finalize your work. Scrub through your timeline to ensure the timer is operating correctly. Check that it counts down in the manner you envision and everything looks great visually, from font legibility to placement. If playback seems choppy, take a moment to render that section. After you're satisfied with your preview, proceed to export your video. Make sure, in the final output, that the timer appears as planned before sharing your masterpiece with the world. And just like that, you have successfully created a transparent video with a customized countdown timer.